You're listening to World of Empowerment Radio, your station for practical spirituality in a changing world. And here are your hosts, Aingeal Rose and Ahonu.
Good morning from the mountain. Many times in our lives we encounter difficulties. And there was a girl one time who, beautiful when she was young, but grew up moaning and complaining all the time, and life was just one adversity after another. And one time she went home to her father, and her father was a chef. And he said, "Come with me into the kitchen." And he brought her into his chef kitchen, and he put 3 pots of water on to boil, vigorously, on a high heat. And in the first pot, he put a bunch of potatoes. In the second pot, he put a dozen eggs. And in the third pot, he put ground coffee beans. The daughter stood back, just had no idea what he was doing, but continued to complain and bitch and moan. And after about 20 minutes, he took out the potatoes out of the first pot. And he took out the eggs out of the second pot and put them in a bowl. And then slowly he ladled out the coffee into 2 mugs, and he handed 1 mug to his daughter. He said, "What do you observe?" And a little confused, she said, "Well, you boiled potatoes, you boiled eggs, and you boiled coffee." And he said, "Look closer, my dear." He said, "Each of these things faced the same adversity, the boiling water. But look how each one treated it differently. The potatoes, going in hard and tough, came out soft and edible and delicious. The eggs, going in soft, with their soft interiors and liquid, came out hard and tough and rubbery. And the coffee, going in hard and tough, came out with a rich aroma that you're now enjoying. Look at your life, daughter, and decide, which one are you? Are you a potato, an egg, or a coffee bean?" Blessings to you from the mountain today, from myself, Ahonu, and from Aingeal Rose.
You can subscribe on iTunes, Stitcher Radio, and on our website at worldofempowerment.com.
Don't miss an episode. Hit the subscribe button now.